how to check your Ghana card details on MTN. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step exactly all that you need to know about checking your Ghana card details on your MTN. Okay, so what you have to know is that MTN does not give you the exact information about your Ghana card, like the name on your Ghana card, the date of birth, whatever information that you want, they don't provide it. Okay, the only information that they provide, or the only details that they provide, is the number of SIM you have registered with your Ghana card, okay, using their service. And that is what I'm going to show you. So to get it, all that you have to do is to just come and then press on star, then come and then press on 4, and then come and press on 0, then come and press on 2, and then come and then select the hashtag. Okay, after pressing on it, come and then select where you have your SIM slot. Mine is on slot 1. I'm simply going to press on it, and then this will pop up. Okay, so over here you can check the number of SIM by simply selecting option 1 by putting in 1 here. Okay, then come and click on the send. Okay, so after putting it there, you are going to be asked to put in your Ghana card number here. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply type it exactly as you see the example in the bracket. Okay, bring the dash and everything. Okay, so after putting it right in here, just like how you see it, come and then press on the send. Now what you have to do is to simply come and then put in your date of birth. Make sure that you don't bring any dash, just put it in how you see this one. Okay, and then come and press on the send, right? So after that, you are going to get this pop-up saying that it has been successful. They are going to send you a message showing you all the list of numbers that you have successfully registered or link your Ghana card with. So this is it, and this is how to get the details. So like the video and then see you in my next video.